This is a short overview on how to use the Personal Credit Cloud, the only one-click credit repair software. As you can imagine, this is a do-it-yourself credit repair software that makes the process of repairing your credit fast and easy. In addition of having a super calendar to control your for example, recurrencies, in the sense when do you want to come back to do the next round, etc., or your personal affairs, meetings, etc. It has a very simple system, essentially one click, to repair your credit. For example, you can have up to 3 people here: yourself, your spouse, and maybe your neighbor. So here we add a contact, and we're gonna put here John Smith. Okay, so you add your social security and your date of birth. You order your credit report from here and enter the data here, data of your login information to the Identity IQ credit report. Then we save that information, and also you can add your documents if you want, like driver's license, social security, utility bill, and others, in order to be able to print those later on when you're printing the letters. So your next step will be to go to the next button. We were here, and next button to the dispute area, and then you simply click this button, and in a few seconds we're gonna have all the information. That's it. It sounds incredible. It's just one click, and here you can see that the program has extracted, in fact, 41 derogatories, and the type: inquiries, collection, judgment, charge-off, late payments, etc. The reason for the disputes have been assigned automatically, the letters have been assigned automatically, the creditor, the account ID, the account number. Account number in this case is blank, this part, because they are inquiries. They don't have accounts, but they have dates. And here we have the bureaus: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, one per line, to be able to maintain the line of communication, as opposed to check boxes where you lose the line of communication with your clients, with your bureaus and or creditors. And here, well, is the status. The next step, you can change the status of the inquiries that you have active. You can put them on hold if you like, and then the rest you can print. Select the letters right here, and so the program will group all the letters as appropriate based on the credit bureaus, and then you can, from here, you can see the letters, or download it to your hard drive, or print them directly to your printer. Here we have Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It's as simple as that. And then you can also, you see that the status changed to in progress automatically, and then you can print the envelopes and be ready to send to the credit bureaus. Next month you only need to click this button again, and the program automatically is going to compare. In this case, of course, the comparison is identical, so it's going to compare, and the ones that are verified will be changed to no change. And like this one, a new letter will be created to dispute, kind of a second round. You see, round 1, round 2, and a new letter will be assigned automatically, and then if they are deleted, it will be deleted automatically. So and of course no new letters will be created. So all of that happens automatically. So next step of this one will be simply print selected dispute. That's it. Very simple. Follow-up date is set, so you know when to follow up with, in other words, when you have to do the next round, and that is reflected right here. So essentially it's two steps. One is entering your data and then print it. Also you can print, of course, your proof of ID that we entered, or we should have entered in the previous screen when we were setting up your information. So you can print it from here, and or if you want to make changes, you just go back to the context, right? Selected context, and from here, which we have the follow-up date, as you can see here, you can enter the documents in case that you don't have them. Driver's license, social security, or utility bill, and others too. They are to be needed as appropriate. So that's pretty much the basic functionality. Extremely easy. Just as a summary, you enter into the contacts area, add a contact, enter all the data requested, social, date of birth, address. Those are the most important, and of course the name. You enter your login information to Identity IQ, and then essentially you go to the dispute center, and from there you just click the button to extract. That's all pretty much. So there you go. That's what you can do. In a couple of minutes you can process your whole credit report. Thanks.